Good morning, my garden lovers. Thank you for being with us all this while. Today we are going to talk about the importance of sunlight, the importance of sunlight on our amaranth plant, popularly known as tete, or also known as tete. Hit the most crucial milestone for our roadside amaranth or tete microgreens. The seed have sprouted. They are rooted on the soil. You've seen the newly growth amaranth or the amaranth they are just rooted. The color is pink and pale, and that is not what the customer wants, and that is not what they pay premium for. The main color that sell in the market is the red amaranth. When the leaves are red, the red hue amaranth. And it is not magic that the amaranth is red. Is there is something that causes it. There is a pigment called anthocyanins, and this anthocyanin doesn't just come from sky. It is the sunlight that generates or that brings this pigment. I'm showing you how sunlight turns our cheap roadside amaranth to a high volume, high value vegetable that customers really will like, and they will keep coming here to harvest. Thank you for watching. I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why sunlight is important for our amaranth leaf or amaranth seed or amaranth vegetable. Reason number 1, color command. This red hue vegetable that is popularly or always being sought for gets its color from a pigment called anthocyanins, and the pigment is being generated by sunlight. Without sunlight, the red hue of this amaranth will not show. And you know, with the red hue, that is what customers keep coming to buy. As I show you earlier on, the amaranth color is pink as it is. You can see the pink color of the amaranth. But with sunlight, as sunlight, I mean from sun, the sun will make it to become red color, which is well sorted for. Thank you for watching. A day of being under, also few days of being under sunlight, the pigment will start coming. I mean the color will be so crescent that you will see it irresistible. That is what differentiates amaranth from other vegetable, and the sunlight that generates this red hue color that you see on amaranth. Number 2, strength and shelf life. When plant, you can see this one, when they don't get enough light, they panic. This one is where you can see how it is panic and stretch tall. You can see becoming weak and thin. This is exactly what happened. This is called, we call them leggy greens, which fast and don't look professional. But this one is dead already. The only thing we can do is to thin it and remove it from other plants, so that there will be enough space for other plants that are healthy to grow very fast. Thank you for watching. The simplicity of it, I mean, to make it more simple, more light tell the amaranth stop stretching, start building muscles. This gives your plant a sturdy, thick stems that can withstand pressure when harvesting, and it can withstand the pressure of harvesting, because I told you earlier on that every 2 weeks you keep harvesting. But if this if the root of your amaranth is not deeply down to the soil, so there is nothing can be harvested. You will not come and keep harvesting. So enough light will tell the amaranth, stop stretching. Oh yeah, start building muscles, and it will pay you off during harvest. You keep coming to harvest. Number 3 is flavor power. Sunlight drives photosynthesis, turning the light energy, I mean the energy stored into the plant, into a food for the plant. Then this bring out the flavors that customers, they are very willing to pay any premium for. Without sunlight, the flavor of your amaranth will not show. It will not, nobody will see the flavor. So once you are thinking of amaranth, think of sunlight in the area of making your vegetable flavorful. Thank you for watching. Two things we have to discuss more about this our new sprouted amaranth. Number 1, we want to talk about placement. You can see this is a crop row, and sun is directly on this our rows. So it is very good, even if you are not using you are not using your rows, your cross row. You either you are in your at your balcony, your patio, or anywhere you place your amaranth, be sure that there is enough sunlight direct on your amaranth. Very soon the sun will come, and the advantage we have here is that we can have 6 to 8 hours, even more than that, sun on this our amaranth is exposed to. Amaranth is a fantastic vegetable. You keep making your money, customers keep coming to buy, but you have to be careful in the area of maintaining it religiously, especially in the area of hygiene, because one single fungi can wipe away the whole plantation, just only one day. And as we said earlier on, sun is very, very important in the maintaining or keeping your amaranth growing that red hue color. So if you enjoy this video on the importance of sunlight to amaranth, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Next time we are going to talk about mud, what mud can do to amaranth, because I show you how to water. Then you may want to ask, you want to know how mud can affect amaranth. Until next time, keep planting, growing, and keep harvesting. Thank you for watching. See you next time.